Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you are signed into the exact Microsoft account that held the event. This matters because recovery targets account-specific stores. Open Outlook Desktop or Outlook. Com now, since the interface differs slightly. Once done, identify whether your mailbox is Exchange, Office 365, or IMAP, because Exchange and Office 365 retain deleted items differently. Now, navigate directly to the calendar view so you can apply the next recovery steps without delay. In Mail view, open the Deleted Items folder. Many calendar events are stored there as meeting items. For Exchange or Office 365 accounts, choose Recover Deleted Items. This exposes items removed from deleted items. Select the missing calendar entry, then restore it. Outlook will put it back into your mailbox. If you only find an invitation rather than the event, drag the restored item into Calendar View to recreate the appointment. Make sure to check date and attendees after restoring, because details can change. Finally, confirm the event appears in Calendar and verify time, location, and attendees. Edit and save if needed. If it's absent, check recoverable items or trash in Outlook Web. Server-side recovery often succeeds when desktop client doesn't. If the item is past your retention window, contact your IT admin to search backups or litigation hold. They can restore from mailbox backups. One troubleshooting tip: if attendees still show incorrect status, resend the updated invitation to force calendar sync across devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.